Action News, Delaware Valley's leading news program with Phil Andrews and Rob Jennings.
Sunday night fire claims the lives of a South Philadelphia father and son, and a tornado rips through a Florida community, sending dozens to the hospital. But the big story in Action News tonight is that old Jack Frost sugar refinery now reduced to a pile of rubble. Dozens of onlookers gathered near the Delaware River to watch this morning's implosion. It took less than a minute and 700 pounds of explosives to bring it down. This is another view of the implosion from Chopper 6. The Jack Frost Sugar Refinery closed in 1981. A demolition crew from Iowa tried to implode part of the building last June. They set off 4 charges, but nothing happened. The building eventually fell on its own. Well, this time the city called controlled demolition from Maryland to do the job, and they